Wow, 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 Shanice. You really did a lot. Wow. You asked where I'm going? To my kitchen to film for YouTube. I'm actually not going anywhere tonight, guys. Check your girl out. But I need to do a puff tutorial because this puff is, ooh, baby, it's outrageous. Let me stop before I begin greasy. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha. For everyone who is new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, tuning in. I hope to see you join the family. Hit that red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell so that you never miss another video upload from your girl, because we're hitting 10K this year and I don't want you telling me that I didn't tell you to be a part of this situation, okay? And for all of my ride or die babies, hey y'all. By the title, you guys already see I'm coming at you and bringing you my favorite smoothie recipes. I did tell you at the beginning of the year that I would bring you along this healthier lifestyle journey, and surprisingly the smoothies have been a very essential part of it. I use them for meal replacements, post workouts, and then also quick snacks that I whip up and take along with me instead of turning to junk food as an alternative option. So your girl has really seen good results from it, and like I always tell you guys with any recipe that I share here on my channel, I'm not making it up. I did not create it. I get a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest, and then I gear it towards what is going to work out best for my taste buds, and then also the benefits in which I look to achieve. If you follow me over on my Instagram page, you will see that I post my smoothies almost on a daily basis. I get a lot of questions about the ingredients that I'm using, if I'm seeing benefits from them, can I use them as meal replacements, and the list goes on. So of course I wanted to bring this to you as a more efficient way for you to come back and reference to the recipes. So it took me about maybe 2 weeks to narrow down the recipe in which I wanted to share with you guys with the correct measurements to give you the perfect smoothie every single time. Now, brief admission, I do know someone, her name is Tiara, and she actually has a YouTube channel. She filmed a smoothie video, you guys, and it's the funniest thing. I will tag it down below so you guys can watch her video after this, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Just a few housekeeping things before we hop right into the video. I do prep these smoothies fresh on a daily. Most times I'll chop my fruits and vegetables at night and just set them into the container, seal it up, and then when I'm ready to do it in the morning, all I have to do is pop it onto the blender. Sometimes I will prep them at night and I don't see a big difference in the consistency, maybe because of the ingredients that I'm using, but throughout the day I just give it a shake and it tastes the same. So whatever works out best for your routine, I suggest you do that. If you are able to prep them fresh daily, do it. I don't suggest you leave them in the fridge or freeze them, but it's all about preference. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video, guys. You already know the drill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know if you're trying out smoothies, if you're into smoothies, what you'd substitute. Tell me if you've tried it and you want to substitute something and it works out for you. Let me know all of that. Anything that we could talk about in the comments. Let's talk, sis. Spill the tea. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, tap the bell so you never miss another video upload, and of course, last but not least, share this video with a family member or a friend. Invite them to join the family, because like I said, 10K, we on the way. All right, let's hop into the video, guys. Smoothie recipe number 1. 2 cups of spinach, half a cup of almond milk, 2 strawberries, 1 banana, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt. Like I mentioned before, you can pre-prep the smoothie by having everything nice and chopped up into your blending cup the night before and ready to go the day of. However, I'm going to break this down just to give you guys a visual aspect of what everything looks like. All my ingredients are already pre-measured. Just want to show you guys going through the process. Also, there's no particular order in which you need to add in your ingredients. As you get more comfortable and you get into the flow of things, you kind of realize what you like to add first, second, last, so on and so forth. But it's totally preference. You can do it the way that I'm doing it just to start off. Now, you guys will notice I do not add in all of my ingredients simply because you don't want to overfill and overstuff your blending cup. That's going to lead to a hot mess and you're going to be leaking all over the place, especially if you're using a magic bullet like I am. So I will blend down to a good consistency and then add in ingredients as I go. Same measurements, nothing changes, just step by step. I've never actually timed out how long it takes the smoothie to blend down to my desired consistency. I will say give it about 45 seconds to a minute before you kind of test it out to see where it's at. So once my smoothie is complete, I just transfer it to the cup that I'll be drinking it out of, and it's nice, done, and ready to go. Smoothie recipe number 2. I'm going to do 2 cups of mixed fruit, 1 cup of mango nectar from concentrate, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla Greek yogurt. The fruit that I'm using is actually frozen, and it's pineapples, peaches, mango, and strawberry. It is completely preference right here. You can use any mixed fruit that you would like. You can use it fresh or you can use it frozen. Like I mentioned before, everything is already pre-measured out. This just gives you an idea of how your cup should look with the fruit in it. Smoothie recipe number 3. 1 banana, 4 strawberries, half a cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla Greek yogurt. I actually use this as my post-workout. If you guys want to add in any powders or any oats, you can do that as well. Just get it down to the desired consistency that you would like. Smoothie recipe number 4. We're gonna do 2 cups spinach, 1 cup of mixed fruit, half a green Granny Smith apple, half a cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt. Now, if you don't prep any other smoothie fresh the day of, right before you drink it, I highly suggest you do it with this one, only because this consistency is close to that of applesauce, and if you let it sit for too long, it just really doesn't settle well. It separates and you're not going to be happy. So I do suggest you also peel the skin of the apple off, because you'll notice in the upcoming clips that this apple takes a whole lot more to blend, and the less work that you can make for your blender, the better. So as you see, I do periodically go back and forth with shaking it up, taking it off, giving it a swirl, putting it back on, and blending it again. This is going to help loosen the fruit up so that it can all blend evenly, and then gradually you'll see all of the ingredients coming down and blending into one. Now this one, I do suggest you blend a little bit longer than the others, but it's totally up to you. Stop it in between and get the consistency right where you want it. And as I said before, I'm just going to add in a few ingredients as I go.
Five hours later.
Last but my very favorite smoothie recipe number 5: 1 banana, 4 strawberries, 1 cup of mixed fruit, and then 1 cup of mango nectar from concentrate. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. You already know the drill, as I stated before. Give it a thumbs up. Let's get to talking down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell before you leave. I'll see you guys in my next video.